Octofy AI is a new tool that's taken the AI world by storm. And in this Octofy AI review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released software. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or just someone diving into AI, stay tuned, because I'll break down what makes this software a potential game changer. Stick around to the end because there's a unique offer you don't want to miss. Octofy AI offers an all-in-one solution for automating tasks that are usually time-consuming. One of its standout features is its versatility across industries. It can handle everything from content generation to data analysis, making it useful for both small businesses and large corporations. But what really sets Octofy AI apart is its intuitive user interface, which makes it incredibly easy for beginners to jump right in. No steep learning curve here. Another key thing to note about Octofy AI is its speed. This tool is optimized for efficiency, meaning it can complete tasks in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. Whether you're automating repetitive processes or using AI to streamline your marketing efforts, Octofy AI cuts down on time and increases productivity without sacrificing quality. If you've been searching for an AI tool that integrates well with your existing software stack, Octofy AI excels in this area. It supports integrations with popular platforms like Google Analytics, CRM systems, and more. This means you can use it alongside the tools you already rely on without having to switch everything over. Another reason to consider Octofy AI is its affordability. Many AI tools out there come with hefty price tags, but Octofy AI is designed to be accessible to businesses of all sizes. Plus, you can try it for free with no commitment. Check the first link in the description below to get started. Let's talk about customization. Octofy AI is built with personalization in mind, allowing you to tailor the software to your specific needs. Whether you're looking to generate marketing content, analyze customer data, or automate workflows, this tool adapts to your preferences and goals. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about providing value in a way that fits your business. One feature that many users are raving about is the customer support. If you run into any issues or have questions, Octofy AI offers a dedicated support team that's available around the clock. This level of customer care is something that's often lacking in AI software, but it's something Octofy AI has nailed from the start. And here's a quick bonus. Octofy AI is constantly being updated. The developers are committed to improving the software and adding new features, so you won't have to worry about using outdated tools. You'll be getting access to the latest AI innovations, which is a huge advantage in this rapidly evolving field. So, is Octofy AI the right tool for you? If you're looking to save time, boost productivity, and integrate AI seamlessly into your workflow, this is definitely a tool worth exploring. Don't forget, you can try it for free with no commitment. Check out the first link in the description. I've tried thousands of AI tools over the years, and I've carefully selected the best ones for you. You'll find my recommended AI software down below, which you can try for free, so you don't have to waste time sifting through options yourself. Thanks for watching this Octofy AI review, and I hope you find the perfect AI tool for your needs.